guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video. I was recently gifted a few items from the brand Ghost Girl Goods. They are Canadian, they are an ambassador for 6% Doki Doki here in Canada, and they reached out to me and were like, hey, we like your style. Did you wanna do a little cheeky video for some little goodies? And I'm like, yes. So they asked me if I wanted to pick stuff out, but all their clothing was super cute, so I'm like, you know what? Let's do a mystery unboxing. So, I have here the package. I'm not showing the other side because it has my address on it. We are going to open it up today and see what they sent for us. This is the one thing I don't like about cutting packages. What if I cut into the thing? I see pink. She knows. They know. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, oh my god, what is this? Cute. It's pink and rainbow, everyone. Oh my gosh, is this the skirt? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna read the note first. She also put in her business card, which has an English side and a Japanese side as well. That's super cute. I love the little characters. Those are so cute. So here's what the note says. Hello Jade, I hope you enjoy this super cute and colorful surprise. I felt like these pieces would match your wardrobe perfectly, and I hope you have fun styling them. Stay safe and well during these strange times we are in. You can shop my original goods and 6% Doki Doki on my website. Use coupon code Kawaii Tribe at checkout for 20% off of Doki Doki goods. Love, from Ghost Girl. That's cute, she put in a little like coupon code. Aww. I love that. That's so cute. I love handwritten notes from business people. Like when they send things, I just think it makes it so much more personal and stuff. I love it. Anyways, let's get into the goodies. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the two little small things because these are so cute. I think this is a necklace. I've always wanted like a Pom Pom necklace. She must have known. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is so cute. Oh, is it like a choker? I feel like it could be a choker or a necklace. This is adorable. I love the colors. Okay, so hold on. Let's get the colors in here. Pom Pom necklace! That's so cute! Oh my gosh, I wish I wore something better so that I could just put this on right away. That's so cute! Oh my gosh! I love this so much! I am gonna use this so much. I love pom-poms. I just think they're so cute and so fun, and these are so colorful. I'm definitely gonna try and include how I style these, hopefully, at the end of the video. This is so cute. Look, I love. Alright, so the next little item is a super cute rosette that says cute on it. I just need to get this out. Oh my gosh. It's pink and I love it. It's so cute. I don't own any rosettes, so this is so cute, and I'm glad this is the start of my collection. That is so cute, and I'm just realizing it now, so it can be a keychain, a pin, or like a hair clip as well. That's fantastic. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like a little kawaii monster. That looks so cute, and the yellow, I love yellow and pink. It is probably one of my favorite combinations. Like I love yellow and pink. I just think yellow is such a happy color and it reminds me of sunshine, and then just pink is like my favorite color. So I'm like, this is so cute, and I'm gonna style this a lot. It's so cute. That's like really me, and I love it a lot. Thank you, Ghost Girl Goods. I love everything. Here we are, the finale, the big boy. Wait, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry, I haven't even gotten to it, and I'm like already noticing other things about the skirt. So here is this beautiful rainbow like mesh tulle skirt. This is adorable. I am going to wear the heck out of this summer. It's so cute, but why I was screaming was this super cute little pin on the side, so it actually can come off. Let's see if I can take it off without damaging the skirt, because I am a paranoid little thing. Oh, there we go. Magic. magical. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I could like wear this part in my hair and then just have this skirt on. That's adorable. I'm gonna put that with my accessories so I don't lose it. This is so cute though. I love, 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 love these colors. Like, could not have gotten my signature colors more. We got pink, yellow, blue, purple. That's literally all I wear. Like, we don't really see, like, see, look, pink, blue, yellow, purple. There's no really green at all. I think I have one green dress in here. Other than that, it's just pink, blue, yellow, purple, because that's all I wear. So this is so cute. I can't wait to style this with something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is a suspender skirt, which is super cute, but you can also take these off or you can adjust them because it does look like it has 3 different sizes there, which is fantastic. It's nicely lined as well. Oh my gosh, that's warm. That's so nice. It's stretchy, which we love. Oh, and then it's got the little tag as well. I love her little emblem. I think that is super, super cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. She did a really good job of just picking something that she knew I would like, so I am very, very excited to wear this. So I think we need to make an outfit and show you guys what this would all look like together. So let's do that. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of Ghost Girl goods. I think this brand is super, super cute. I think we should support smaller brands. Definitely go check out their website. They have some really cute stuff on there, so I will link that in the description below along with their Instagram, and if they have a Facebook, I'll try and link as much social media as I can for them in the description, because yeah, I think this is so cute. I actually was peeping on there the other day and they have this really cute rainbow ghost sweater. They almost look like jelly beans, and I might have to get that for myself as well, so I definitely recommend. Anyways, that's all for this video, and I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!